Warming up and stretching before any physical activity, including rollerblading, is crucial to enhance your performance, prevent injury, improve your flexibility, which will increase your trick vocabulary, and it's also good to warm up for your mental health. So today, let's combine fitness and fun with a moving warm-up routine on rollerblades. We're going to start just by doing some slow basic stretch. Take one arm, cross and pull. Other arm, cross and pull. Arm over your head, grab your elbow, pull it back. Other arm over your head, grab your elbow, pull it back. Arm circles. Backwards arm circles, forward arm circles. So remember, arm circles aren't super ideal for balance. Probably better done at a standstill. Then some torso twist. Side to side. This one I love because you get some balance exercise plus the leg stretch. You're just going to lift up one leg and hold. The other leg and hold. One leg and hold. Other leg and hold. You can make this bit more of a dynamic stretch by adding high knees or marching, which is so good for your skating on so many levels. Arms up high, your knees are gonna come to your hands, and pick it up, marching. This is so good for warming up, for your stretching, for your legs, and you can turn this into a little bit of an exercise where maybe you go high knee, and hold. Another leg stretch that's good for balance, just grab the end of your skate and hold it. Other side. Friends, this one's a lot easier on the ground, but it is so good for balance and stretching on skates if you can do it. Other side. Next, I want to talk about squats. Squats are a fundamental exercise that significantly increase rollerblading performance. Almost all advanced tricks require a really strong squat. If you think about it, shoot the duck is essentially just a pistol squat on skates. Aggressive skating, all of those grinds and tricks, those all require really strong squats. My favorite grind on aggressive skates, the top piece star, totally just a squat. I don't even know if I'm doing it right, so aggressive skaters don't come at me, but I pretty much just squat down for that, or my star slide. And then there's all those fancy squat tricks that all those kids at the rinks are doing, you know, where they're getting really low, getting on one toe and doing crazy stuff. You definitely want squats to be a part of your strengthening and conditioning for rollerblading. And you can totally do this off skates, at the gym, outside, but I'm gonna put it in our warm-up routine on skates. And my favorite way is the lemon drop squat, is what I call it. So you're gonna go lemon drop and bend. Lemon drop and bend. Lemon drop and bend. You're gonna be feeling it, I'm feeling it. And while we're doing the lemon drops, we could do a lemon drop side lunge instead of a squat. Lemon drop and bend. Lemon drop and bend. Lemon drop to the side. And you can kind of combine this with the squat. So you can go lemon drop and bend, lemon drop to the side, lemon drop and bend, lemon drop to the other side. On the topic of bending and lunges, this brings us to our rollerblading lunge, which is another really great one. Make sure you have a strong toe roll first. And then it's essentially just a toe roll adding a bend. So you're gonna get some speed, toe roll, and lunge, hold it. You can do a little bit more of a dynamic stretch with them and make it a little bit trickier, where we do alternating lunges. You need to get some speed, lunge, and lunge. Maybe 3 steps in between. Skate, 1, 2, 3, lunge, 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 lunge. Skate, 1, 2, 3, and lunge, lunge, lunge. And on ice skates, they do lunges, but they'll drag their foot on the ice. Ice is significantly more slippery than concrete. So definitely don't do an ice skating lunge. You're gonna do the toe roll instead. Those are some good stretches. Now that we're already loose and warmed up, we're gonna do some basic movements for your warm up. We're gonna go wide legs, do our weight transfer, side to side, side to side. So if you've watched any of my other videos, you know that this is so good for your skating, so good to understand weight transfer. So we're just gonna get our body warmed up. And if you really put the weight on each leg, you definitely feel it in your legs. It's definitely a workout. From there, we can put our feet together and kind of do more tight turning. Get our legs warmed up. From the top, feel free to join in and do it with me.
Can't hide how I feel about you. Nothing can take that away. 'Cause you make the world so beautiful, so beautiful. I was restless and stranded on my own. Time seems endless when nothing's going on. But you came round and turned it upside down. You saved me when I was helpless, but now that darkness gone. 'Cause you know the world is beautiful, so beautiful. 'Cause you know the world is beautiful, so beautiful. And I just can't hide how I feel about you. Nothing can take that away. 'Cause you make the world so beautiful, so beautiful.
This warm-up routine, it's good for beginners to advanced skaters, all discipline, all skill level. Warming up and stretching is just good for your skating and sets you up for success for a big, long skating day. So there's definitely a lot of dynamic and static stretching, as well as conditioning and strengthening we can do with our skates off. Lots and lots of it. If that is a routine and video that you're interested in seeing, please let me know in the comments and I can do that one for you next. In the meantime, keep rolling. Thank you so much for watching. I love you and appreciate you. I'll see you next time.